What's up YouTube gang, it's Jona here and I really want to become a YouTube creator this year. I have two channels who are nearing 5,000 and 10,000 subscribers. I'm also starting this one. Now in this video I'm gonna give you my 2 tips about how to start and how to grow your first 1,000 YouTube subscribers. So my first tip is to reverse engineer the subscribers that you want. You gotta think about it like this. Imagine that you have 100,000 subscribers. Who would those people be? For example, if you're really into fitness, those people will probably be people that want to work on their fitness. If you're a photographer, that might be other photographers. If you're interested in investing, that might be other people interested in investing. Whatever it is, you gotta figure out who the 100,000 people are that are going to be subscribed to you, because you will get it. One day you will get your 100,000 subscribers. So imagine that you have them. And who are they? Who are these people? Because in some way, I think the best way is that these people are kind of your friends, people with the same interests, people that like what you share. Now that you figured out who your 100,000 subscribers are going to be, you can start thinking about, well, what do these people watch on YouTube? What are they looking for? What are they searching on YouTube? What are they searching on Google? What are they searching on Google? What do they want to learn? What kind of entertainment do they like? Let's just say it's about photography. Well, basically, if you make videos about certain cameras, other photographers might end up, you could make an editing tutorial, other photographers could end up there. If you will have 100,000 people interested in fitness, well, obviously, you're not gonna make a video about you washing your car. You're gonna make a video about how to have more protein in a cheap way. You really have to think about the video topics that will connect you with the people that you want to connect with. And then my second tip, find a bunch of other channels that have the subscriber base that you want and just kind of look at their last 6 months, their videos. And probably you will see some videos that have performed way better than the other ones, and preferably it is in the last couple months, in best scenario even in like the last month. And if you see videos that are doing really well, well, it kind of shows that that specific community is really interested in that topic at that moment. Let's go back to you being a photographer and wanting to connect with other photographers, for example. Well, you might see that a certain editing style is really popular, so you making your variant of that tutorial or something about that editing style could be beneficial for your channel. Or if your audience will be fitness people, well, maybe there's like a new diet and people are really interested in learning more about that new diet, so making videos about that diet could launch you into getting more views and more subscribers, because, well, your subscribers have to come from somewhere, and then most of the time come from views, and your views most of the time, if you're small, come from people searching and finding your videos here and there because you made videos about topics that interest them. And the beauty is, this starts to give YouTube an idea of who your subscribers are, of who the people are that enjoy your content, and then YouTube can start showing your content, recommending it to like-minded people, and then actually it really starts to take off because your content is not only being found anymore by search only or quite active stuff of people, you start to be recommended because YouTube just has a lot of information now about the type of people that enjoy your content, that click on it, that watch the video through, that like it or whatever, and they can start showing you to those type of people, and you get that nice little boost. So I hope this really helps you. I hope we all succeed in our journey to become creators this year or next year. Don't give up if it doesn't happen this year. Jona out. See you in the next one.